Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2009 Ford Fusion. We're going to start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome accents in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, inside cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls as well as audio here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.